Feeding 5,000 sailors on an aircraft carrier is no small feat. Navy cooks undergo rigorous training to master this challenge. They start with basic culinary skills, learning to prepare large quantities of food efficiently. Imagine cooking in a galley that's constantly moving. Cooks are trained in food safety and nutrition, ensuring every meal meets the dietary needs of a diverse crew. They learn to manage inventory, often using a system that tracks supplies to minimize waste. Each day, they plan menus that include everything from hearty breakfasts to multi-course dinners, often using fresh ingredients sourced from port visits. The teamwork is incredible. Cooks coordinate with supply officers and fellow sailors to ensure meals are served on time, even during rough seas. And let's not forget the creativity involved. They often have to whip up delicious meals from limited resources, turning what could be mundane into something memorable. It's a unique blend of skill, precision, and adaptability that keeps morale high and the crew well fed.